Ever wished you could split your Cash App purchases into installments with Afterpay? Alright, let's clear up the connection between Afterpay and Cash App. They don't directly work together. Afterpay isn't natively integrated into Cash App. Cash App uses your linked debit card for transactions. However, here's a potential workaround. First, make sure you have an active Afterpay account and available credit. Next, confirm the debit card linked to your Cash App is also the debit card associated with your Afterpay account. When making an online purchase somewhere that accepts Afterpay, choose Afterpay as your payment method. Instead of using Cash App directly, use Afterpay to make the initial purchase and pay Afterpay back in installments. The idea is that Afterpay is funding your linked debit card indirectly. Keep in mind this only applies when you're making purchases outside of Cash App with retailers that accept Afterpay. This will not allow you to split payments within Cash App itself. And that's it. While not a direct integration, this workaround allows you to leverage Afterpay for some of your online purchases and indirectly funding the debit card linked to your Cash App. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.